How to add payment method on Fiverr.
So first is to go to fiverr.com and then log into your Fiverr account. So make sure that when you click your profile icon, you should see this option, switch to buying, which means that you are in your selling account. Then go to my business and then select earnings. And then click this manage payout methods. So this prompt will appear providing you two options and this option add new payout method. So select this option. So this prompt will appear requiring your verification. So you can verify by SMS or you can verify by call. So for this, I will be selecting SMS. So once you're verified, click this add payout method. Now you can change the currency used in PayPal by clicking this drop-down arrow button and selecting the currency used in your country. So once you're done, click continue and then click got it. Then go to your Gmail account and find the email that was sent to you from Fiverr. So this was the email that was sent to me. So just click continue and you will successfully add that payment account to Fiverr. But take note that if your PayPal account does not have any earnings, then you won't be able to use that account. So you have to earn first before you can use your PayPal account to withdraw. And so that is how you add payment method on Fiverr. Thank you and have a great day.